Hello everyone, welcome to the course Design of Solar Power Plant, Circuit Diagram and Site Plan in the AutoCAD software. So in this course, we're going to be talk about by using the AutoCAD software, how we can do the drawing for the site plan of the particular solar power plant and the circuit diagram of the particular solar power plant. So in detail in the AutoCAD software, we're going to be talk about these 2 points. I'm your solar coach, Professor Kiran R. Beldar. I'm a trainer and rooftop solar system consultant, also Professor of Renewable Energy in Mumbai University, India. In this course, we're going to be talk about a very plenty of the detailed points in the AutoCAD software also, and we're going to be utilize the skill of the AutoCAD for using into the solar power plant designing sector. First point we're going to be talk is the how we can design the site plan for placement of the solar array for preparing the detailed site plan of the particular site in the AutoCAD software. In the second point, we're going to be talk about how we can prepare the circuit diagram. What are the different electrical symbols are there while we are preparing the circuit diagram for the utility scale type of an project. So by using the AutoCAD software, it is very handy and it is very easy for us to develop the project of this site plan and the circuit diagram into the AutoCAD software. So whenever we start with this particular software, initially in the course, we're going to be explain you the basics of the AutoCAD. So if you are a new people also in this particular AutoCAD, so you have to download this AutoCAD software. We're going to be see what are the important basic commands has been available and that we can utilize for preparing the site plan and the circuit diagram into the AutoCAD. Second point, we're going to be see how we can draw the initial site plan, because whenever we are working on the AutoCAD, we have to set the limits, we have to set the units, and according to that, we're going to be work on drawing the initial site plan of the site. Next thing we're going to be see how we can draw the solar panel and the solar strings. So as per our calculation or mathematical calculation, we have to be plan how many number of panels has been required. And according to the site dimension, we try to fit this particular solar panel within a span area which is been available. Similarly, we're going to be draw about how we can draw the solar arrays. We use some specific command, that is a shortcut command we're going to be use in the AutoCAD. And according to that, we'll see how we can easily prepare the overall solar array for our solar power plant. The next point we're going to be see what are the different kinds of an symbol that we are using. Like for drawing the control room, for inverter rooms and the switchyard, what kind of an symbols that we are using it and how we can show this particular symbol and the specific locations of it into the site plan. Also, we're going to be talk about how we can do the cable routing. So whenever we are designing the solar project, it is very important to do the routing of the cable. So how we can just work on this particular parameter. So this also will going to be see in the AutoCAD software. Next point we're going to be see in the software is showing the dimensions on the plan view. Once we have drawn the plan view, once we have done the cable routing sizing, then we have to give the dimensions of each and everything. Whenever we are plotting this particular sheet on the plotter and the A3 or the A2 sheet, then how we can show this particular dimension as a standard level. What kind of a specification table we need to be entered whenever we are downloading the plan view of the solar power plant in the AutoCAD. So this specifically will going to be see how we can download this particular PDF, that this diagram in the form of the PDF from the AutoCAD software. The next point we're going to be see is the circuit diagram drawing in the AutoCAD. We'll see how we can draw the circuit diagram, how we can show the panel symbol, how we can do this particular naming for the panel and the string, how we can do the naming for the inverter, transformer and other parameter. Similarly, we're going to be construct the solar string by showing the proper symbol of the panel in the AutoCAD. Next thing we're going to be see in the circuit diagram preparation is construction of the fuses bus bar in the DC combiner box. So whenever we are developing the combiner box for the utility scale type of a project, how we can show the electrical symbols of the fuses, isolator switches, the Scada system, how we can do the naming in the DC combiner box also. Next parameter we're going to be talk is the string combiner box connection for all the arrays. How actually we are developing the overall string and the overall solar array. How we can able to connect this particular array into the combiner box and further connection with the help of the cable specification. This we are showing for the typical inverter. So this in more in detail we're going to be see on the AutoCAD software. Similarly, the next parameter will see the connection of the transformer and their specification. How we can show the symbol of the transformer, how much parameter are required to be shown on the circuit diagram whenever we are taking the printout of the circuit diagram from the AutoCAD. Next thing we're going to be see how we can show the symbol connections for the current transformers, the potential transformer, what kind of the CT ratios and the core ratios will have to show whenever we are preparing the circuit diagram. The next point we're going to be talk about is connection of the potential transformer to the relay panel. So whenever we are doing the connection from transformer to the relay panel, so how we can show this electrical symbol for the potential transformer? What kind of the ratio we have to be select over here? So this parameter typically will going to be work and talk about these symbols of the particular potential and CT and PT transformers. Next thing we're going to be show the connection of the vacuum circuit breaker, where we have to show this vacuum circuit breaker and what is the electrical symbol for showing this vacuum circuit breaker. Also, we're going to be see what kind of a different relays are there in the CRP panel. What are the code numbers of the relays has been available, and how actually we are showing one CRP panel which consisting of the MFM meter, CTPT, vacuum circuit breaker, and the relay of the particular circuit. Similarly, we're going to be show the drawing for the auxiliary transformer. While we are connecting the CRP panel and the further connections over here, how exactly we are going to show that? What is the specification of the isolator switch we are using? How we can do the connection of the electrical connection of an isolator switch? Further, the auxiliary transformers electrical symbol and their cable sizing will going to be see in the AutoCAD software. Next parameter we'll see is the connection of the AC isolator switch, main meter, and the lighting arrestor symbol that will going to be show in the circuit diagram. Also, we're going to be plot this overall circuit diagram into the PDF format. We'll see the methodology for converting the AutoCAD diagram into the PDF diagram and how we can take this particular printout in the PDF format. So all these typical parameter for plotting the site plan and plotting the circuit diagram for designing the solar power plant, this specifically will going to be talk on the AutoCAD software. So once again, I'll going to be welcome in the course. Thank you.